Hello and welcome back to another edition of Check It Out. Hey friends, check it out. Did you buy Blinger and you put it around your key right here where your key goes into your ignition and now your car's not starting? Well, here's the trick. Get rid of the Blinger and your car is going to start. In today's video, I'll explain to you why that is happening. Not working. Here's what's happening. You have a chip inside this key and you also have a reader that is inside here. And that reader is connected to an immobilization system that sits underneath your, well, kind of down by the pedals, let's just call it. And that immobilization system is a security system. That security system is going to not let you start your car. And that flashing green key on the dashboard right there, that's telling you we're not going to let you start your car. So how do you fix this? Take the Blinger off of your car. That piece that's going around right there, your ignition where the key goes in, that's the culprit. Get rid of that and your car will start. Hey friends, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.